Alright guys, we made it to beautiful Elephant Butte Lake in New Mexico. Some gear set up right here. Today we brought the all reliable Chevy Silverado. We got the jet ski hooked up as well. We're gonna do some fun stuff. Right now I'm gonna set up camp though, but I got everything unpacked. Alright guys, set out this tarp for the tent. We got the 60-second tent like usual. This bad boy works wonders. Watch out, Rara. Watch out, Rara. He wants to help set up the tent. He wants to help set up. Why? Because he knows it's so easy. He's so easy a dog can do it. Should be the motto of this tent. Because damn, it is easy. I tell you what. Simple as this. Look. Pop this corner. Pop this corner. Pop this corner. Raise the bar. Raise that bar. Raise this bar. Raise this bar. And raise this bar. Simple as that. Then you just go ahead and stake it, guys, real easy. Put a stake in. Smash it down. Easy as that. You want to help me? You want to help? Get this one going right here. Yeah, guys, it's real simple. This tent's real fun to camp in because it's so sturdy and safe and easy setup. Know what I mean? It's amazing. Look how quick I'm doing this. All right, guys, I got camp set up good now. We have my dog right there. Got my wife right there. I got it for them. I got a 43-inch 4K TV in there, right on the air mattress. And this is luxury tent camping. I even got an AC unit in there, literally cold air all the time. All right, guys, now we're gonna set up my Wi-Fi, my Starlink Mini. This thing is freaking amazing. This is how small it is. Tiny, this big, literally. I have Wi-Fi anywhere I want off grid. I could be 2 hours from a city, no phone service, anything, and I will have high-speed internet Wi-Fi anywhere in the world, even on the sea. I could be in the middle of the ocean and I'll have Wi-Fi. So I brought a 4K TV, 43-inch TV, brought a PS5. I can be streaming high-quality 4K, quick gameplay, low latency, and all of that. First-person shooters like Call of Duty Warzone, Fortnite, NBA 2K. I could be doing anything online. I could be on YouTube. I could be streaming Netflix. I could be watching movies. I could upload videos, all off this right here. Let me show you how simple this setup is. All right, guys, as simple as this. It comes with 3 things: this cord, power block, and a cable. You're gonna want to unwrap your cable and you plug it in right here at the bottom of the unit. Plugs right in like this. Boom. You want to set up just a clear image right here. That'll be good enough. Boom, right up to the sky. You then want to untangle your cord a little bit more. Same thing on the power block, guys. You literally just plug in right here. Plug this in and open the app and you're hooked up. Now it's as simple as this, guys. Click Starlink app. Optimizing connection. Calculating orientation. Starlink connected, guys. Simple as that. As you see up top, I have full Wi-Fi. And we're good. It's up downloading the software update, but simple as that, guys. Instant Wi-Fi anywhere you go. Got our food container. Let's take out the grill and whip up some food. All right, guys, I'm gonna get cooking some breakfast for you here. Let's figure out what we got. I think I'm gonna make just a normal breakfast: hash browns, eggs, bacon this time. It'll be good. This breakfast right here, we got some good bacon, hash browns, and we have some organic eggs. All right, let's apply some butter and let's get whipping up those hash browns. Hash browns and bacon. Those will get cooking up real nice. Excellent. Oh yeah, that looks good. All right, let's lay some bacon on this bad boy. Boy, does that bacon look good. Sizzle, sizzle. So does the hash browns. Ooh. All right, guys, let's get cracking. Apply some of that Kinder's blend. Start beating. All right, that looks good, guys. Bacon's done, so are the hash browns. All right, let's get those eggs cooking. All right, here we go. And we do not need no butter for these because the bacon grease. Oops, a little spillage over there, I want to be careful. Oh yeah. This looks real good. All right. Right, breakfast is served, guys. Look how good that looks. Oh man, I'm telling you, nothing like breakfast. I always tell you guys, I say breakfast is my favorite when camping. Like Scary Movie 2, dig in. All right, guys, breakfast is served. Man, this looks so good. Beautiful view of the lake, nature. Man, look at this breakfast, guys. Ooh, look at this bacon. Mmm. Whoa. Mmm. Wow. That was good, guys. I'm gonna show you guys the inside of my tent setup.
2 days before I got on the plane, I was like, I'm really leaving a lot in Uganda to come to America just to
That's my dog, Ryan.
So
But I have an AC unit in here
no,
and a 4K TV with Starlink hooked up.
Can we just cancel?
It does not get any more luxury than this, guys.
I have no one here.
I'm in here watching 4K TV, streaming with AC, with fresh breakfast in a tent. Talk about luxury camping with my dog.
I'm sure this will happen more often, but as long as...
Man, do you guys remember these Gatorades right here? The sports ones with the like the little top. Oh man, these are so good. They're so hard to find though. Like you don't really see them everywhere. Like back in the day, you used to see these everywhere. Is it just me or do Gatorades taste better in this bottle? Here's a better view of camp. Starlink right there. Items set up. Jet ski right there. All right, guys, who's ready to go have some fun? Let's go jet skiing. Let's get the jet ski prepared. Man, look at this beauty, guys. This is the GP1800R SVHO Supercharge Yamaha, and like I said, this thing is a beast. Freaking beautiful. 300 horsepower, or I actually think 249 stock. But just wait till I take this thing out, guys. You guys are gonna freak out. All right, guys, got my swim trunks on, got my slides on. We're ready to go. Let's go jet skiing. Out here on the water. Man, this is fun. Look at that. Look at the water spit out the back. Woo! Alright guys, I'm back out here on the water again. Man, it's gorgeous. Unfortunately, it is a little cloudy as you can see. So, whenever you're riding a jet ski with cloudy weather, you just have to be a little extra precautious. Get ready to shorten your trip and take it in. Be close to the window because dark clouds can indicate weather changes, whether that be rain, thunderstorms. There is no thunderstorms, it could just be a light sprinkle, but always check the forecast before going out. I checked the forecast, it is cloudy, but even though it says 0% chance of rain, that can change and there can be light showers. You know what I mean? You just always want to be ready for changing weather because even though you check the weather, I mean, it can change. about being on this jet ski is it's impossible not to smile. All right, guys, I just got done with the lake. Man, it's freezing out there. The weather changed pretty quickly, like I said. Follow those tips, like I said, and you'll always be good, guys. What we're gonna do now, it's so freaking cold, I'm gonna start a fire. Guys, I really recommend this fire starter right here. I can't recommend this enough. I picked this up from Walmart. This works so good. Go Fire all natural fire starter. I love how it's all natural as well. So let me show you how simple this is right here, guys. Got some smaller tinder right here, some smaller pieces. Simple as this, guys. Boom. Start this up. Catch flame. Right up here. It's really as simple as that, guys. Real simple. That's how easy it is to start a fire. And then you can start piling this on top right here. And it's as simple as that, guys. All right. Boom. Fire started. Look how quick that was, guys. I mean, I'm not kidding when I say that fire starts quick. Oh man, I love that stuff. I'm telling you, go pick up some of that. Go pick up some of that from your local Walmart. We're just gonna let it roar a little bit. We'll come back when it's full fire. In the meantime, check out that beautiful view. Wow. Got those mountains way out there. Absolutely gorgeous out here, guys. Yeah, some people pull up right to the water and camp like that, but yeah, I like my setup right here with the tent right here, up high up here. Starlink is still working amazing, streaming everything, doing everything I want in the middle of nowhere. Slowly but surely. Man, this is nice, guys. Feels good on your feet, feels good on your hands. Nothing like a campfire, guys. Me and the wife got her all bundled up. No, I mean, she loves it. She likes doing it with me because I do it so luxury. You know how some of those solo man trips, know what I mean? Like me, if I go out solo off grid, sometimes I do it a little different, but I still do it quite luxury. But when you have it this good with Wi-Fi, Starlink, flat screen TVs in the tent, I mean, this is luxury tent camping. I mean, can you imagine luxury RV camping? It's basically like you're just at damn home. This is great. Oh, this is great. The ski, usually I actually flush out the ski. I actually might still flush it out, but I am going tomorrow. But that's basically when you run water through it with Dawn dish soap. Use like a special thing, salt away, I believe it's called, if you're in the ocean, but this is fresh water, so we'll be fine. But yeah, I might flush it here before nightfall. We got luxury electric and water right there. So this is luxury camping right here, basically. We're stacked up on firewood, guys. No issue about that. Just stacking up that wood. We're gonna build a big boy here, big roaring one. You know what time it is, baby? We got the chocolate, we got the marshmallow, we got the graham crackers. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be so good. Ooh, look at that. Ooh. Mmm. Mmm. Whoa. A growing boy needs to eat. Up next, it's chow time. We got some Nathan beef franks, some hot dog buns, and classic ketchup and mustard. Bumping tips a little bit. It's like Chuck and Larry. I love that movie, guys. And all of a sudden, you see David Spade, and he's like, "Nah, it's cool. You want to suck something?" All right, food's on. Layer it with some mustard. Let's layer it with some ketchup. All right, guys, now I'm having some of this rice pudding. It's so good. I think you guys probably know what it is. It's just rice pudding, like it's that regular brand. It's like Cozy Shack or something. I forgot what it's called, but it's like an orange and brown packaging. I got my wife like a Mexican version called Natillas. This is like the plain version. I like this one. She likes that one. Man, talk about luxury camping. You just come right down here and there's restrooms over here. Like I said, guys, I go off grid a lot. I'm just not used to this type of luxury, but I'm gonna start doing this a lot more because one of the reasons I absolutely have to is because I have jet skis and boats. So when you stay near the lake, you most likely have to stay on a campsite like this. Been having a blast over here at camp, guys. Literally, I got it set up so good with Starlink coolers, know what I mean? Everything AC. Look at this view we got right here by the tent. Amazing. Look at that lake. A little cloudy right now, but let's see what these cookies are talking about. I seen them at Walmart. I wanted them. I don't know why they look so good. Oh my God. It's like a burst of flavor, dude. Tastes like a cookies and cream Pop-Tart. Whoa, these are good. It's more flavorful than an Oreo itself. Guys, check out how cool this little tool is. Has a light. It's a little crank radio. In the middle of nowhere, if you're like an emergency, crank that radio on. Siren. Oh, see that little guy? Oh, he's cute. He's looking at us. All right, guys, I'm getting ready for bed. It was a long day. Tired. Got everything set up. Did some fire. Cooked some more food. Hooked up my jet ski to my trickle charge. You know what I mean? So I can take it out on the lake tomorrow. But yeah, it was great, guys. But damn, it's cozy in here. It got so cold outside, but it's so warm in here. Like I said, guys, check out my tent luxury. I have a heater right there, and then I have the AC. It's so cold right now. I turn on the heater. I have a heating blanket. I have right here a heating blanket, and then I have regular blanket, and then I have a TV right here. We're about to put on a movie right now with the Starlink. Kind of creepy outside, but it's always creepy outside when you're camping. It's eerily quiet every time you camp, but even when it's creepy outside. You come into camping with Elijah's tent, and you got frickin' Toy Story playing on a 4K TV with Starlink. Yeah.
After this, I want to watch Monsters University.
Yeah. Like I said, guys, look at this setup. Absolutely ridiculous. I'm in my tent just with the 4K TV, AC, heat, you know what I mean? And I'm in a tent. This is crazy. Oh man. Oh. Oh man, what's up guys? Good morning. Oh man, it's a beautiful morning out here. Oh my god. Oh, about 6:30 a.m. right now. Oh man, that sun's beautiful. Let me show you the sunrise. Wow, look at that sunrise, guys. Just gleaming off the water surface. Wow, that's something to see. Someone else is up with me. Man, it's so cold out here, guys. I'm gonna put on another jacket. It's freezing. Oh man. Get a fire started. Warm up a little bit, guys. And then let's make some breakfast. That'll be good. And after that, we'll probably go skiing later. You know what I mean? Do some other fun stuff. All right, guys, we got another Go fire right here. Just lay that in, well, now it's mostly ash. But you can lay it in charcoal because charcoal ignites quite easy. Yeah, this will do just fine. Get started. If we put some of this older wood right here, it'll get started just fine. But it's catching fire. Yeah, you could see it catching fire real good. And just simple as that, guys. You let all that old wood catch fire because it's half charcoal. And it ignites real easy compared to this new wood that takes a while. And that's with no tinder. So you see how easy that started, no tinder. You more so need charcoal. Like, see how that wood's half charcoal, it'll just ignite right away. Yep, starting up real easy. Oh, I got ice cold Gatorade right here, guys. If you hear that sound, there's actually a mama bird who burrowed her way in here in these beams. I don't know if they're still in these steel beams, and created a nest throughout the steel beams of this. She created a nest under this canopy though. All right, guys, it's round 2, same breakfast. Maybe we'll cook up some flapjacks as well. Bacon and potatoes are done. Oh man, look at that crispy bacon. All right, eggs are looking good. You know what, I think we'll switch it up a little bit today. Let's throw a little bit of cheese on there. Nothing like some good old cheesy eggs, right? Oh yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be good. Oh, cheesy eggs. Oh. Yeah. Some nice cheesy eggs. Yeah, that looks good. Breakfast is served. Oh my gosh, look how good that looks. Cheesy eggs, bacon. I'm telling you, this doesn't get any better. I have this all the time. I could eat this every day. Oh man, guys, this looks so good. Bacon. Wow. Grab some eggs, hash brown, bacon. I'm enjoying a beautiful lake view. while I eat breakfast. Oh my god, even the birds are enjoying the eggs. Look, it's eating the egg that I cooked. Oh my god. I can't believe I'm capturing this, guys. I'm eating breakfast and the bird's eating the egg that I cooked. Whoa. This is amazing. Alright guys, just got done jet skiing. Now we're gonna make up some nice pancakes. Oh. Nice. Oh, that looks good. It's like that Golden member Austin Powers, like smoking pancake. He's all cigarette and a bong. Nice. He's looking guys are ready to flip. Drop some butter right in the middle. Ooh, those look good. Nice. And we got some syrup right here. Let's go. Looks so good. Now we're gonna have some chips and dip. This is a unique dip that's only in New Mexico. It's Creamland green chili dip. Absolutely amazing. If you're from New Mexico, you know what's up with this dip right here. Quick disclaimer, what you're about to see is a natural phenomena you see in the wild. This is the circle of life. It's not cruelty, it's just biology, you know what I mean? There was an ant and a bee fighting, and I stumbled across it. I heard it really loudly buzzing, and I looked down, and an ant and a bee were in the middle of a fight. It's really important not to mess with any type of nature, you know what I mean? The circle of life, this is what God's intended to do. This is how animals survive. This is the food chain, you know what I mean? So even though I love bees, and as much as I wanted to pull that bee away and squash the ant because I love bees so much, bees are so good to our environment. Bees are amazing. It's like anything, guys. I mean, if you see a lion in the wild and he's chewing on a damn deer or a zebra, yeah, I love the zebra. I wish I could save it, but listen, guys, that's not how the real world works. You can't save all the animals. This is biology. This is how survival works in the wild, know what I mean? It's predator versus prey, and that ant needed to eat, and unfortunately the bee was his meal, know what I mean? Maybe the bee would have ate the ant. Maybe, I assume that's how the bee got so low to the point where the ant was able to eat him. So yeah, guys, like I said, I love all animals. I save animals as much as I can, but when in nature, the natural food cycle is occurring. You let wildlife do its thing. You do not intervene. You're not God. You let nature take its course, okay? So just quick disclaimer before you see this bee versus ant fight. Never seen something like this. An ant is fighting. This is fucking crazy. One ant versus... What the fuck? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Dude, and like I said, it's literally one ant. It's a single ant. How is that one ant? One ant is doing this. Look, he's like clenched on him, biting him or something. Whoa, this is intense. Dude, look how small it is in hindsight too. But there's an ant pile around here. But whoa. Oh my gosh. Dude. This is what you get when you watch my frickin' camping vlogs. Oh, look, he's trying to fly away. Oh my god, bro, this is insane. Look at that. Whoa. Did he fucking bite a piece of him off? Dude, this is intense. Oh. Dude, this is intense. Look at him trying to fly away. Bro, this is just a small little ant fighting this big. Dude, I've never seen something this cool. All the friends are just walking by too, like not even worried. Like, help your ant friend, dude. Look at him latched on his leg. Oh my God. Sorry guys for it being so shaky. I wish I had a stabilizer. Oh my God, did that ant just kill? He's so tired, he's kind of giving up. Dude, look at this. Is he like eating the inside of him? Oh, he just ripped something. Oh, he's eating his face. Dude, that ant is ruthless. Bro, I think the ant won. Look, he's eating his fucking head. Dude, that ant is badass. He's tiny. Oh yeah, the ant won, I think. Did they give up? What happened? Oh no, they're going at it again. Oh, broke loose a little bit. Dude, it's like a cowboy riding a bull. That ant is not playing. Oh my God, that's crazy. Sorry I'm so shaky, guys, but this is such a tiny subject. Like I said, these are, like, that ant is tiny, dude. Oh, is he trying to sting him? I don't even see no stinger. Did he already sting? Damn, this is crazy. Dude, how long are they gonna... Oh my God, is he cut in half? Dude, did the ant just cut him in... Dude. He's ripped in half. That ant ripped him in half. What? I've never seen anything like that. Dude, the ant ripped him in half. You see that? Whoa. Oh my gosh. Dude, the ant deserves that one. That guy's tiny. Went in for some food. And the ant fucking showed him who not to mess with. Whoa. Oh my gosh. Look, none of his friends are helping him, bro. They're like, you got him, Jeremy. Dude, I can't believe this. 2 insects fighting. One tiny, one huge, one flying, one not flying. Ant versus ant 1. Oh, damn, we just witnessed him. He's dead. I'm pretty sure he's dead. Oh, dude. Dude, he's dying. What did the ant do to him? Oh my gosh. Dude, the ant is like ripping his whole body apart. Once again, sorry about the shaking, guys. This is such a tiny subject that I'm trying to capture. Like, you don't understand how zoomed in I am. This is so hard to capture, but I'm doing it. I can't believe it. I wish I had a tripod right now to just lay it on them. Dude, I can't believe this. Look at this. Tiny ants fighting. Dude, the ant won. Thanks for watching the video. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe. I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers. I'm sure we could get there soon. I am bringing you the highest quality camping content possible. Insect fights, birds eating stuff. No, I mean, I've been capturing all kinds of wildlife, as well as just a beautiful outdoors, jet skiing, some recreational activities. Yeah, hit that subscribe button. Make sure to subscribe to Camping with Elijah. Let's hit 10,000 subscribers. Like the video. Drop what you thought as well, and I'll see you guys on the next video.